What is up everyone, in this video let's uncard this 2015 Toyota Alphard brand new casting, and this is from the Boulevard Mix 3 of 2026 with the Boulevard number 151. If you want to check out other castings from this set, I'll upload them in the upcoming days, or if it's already uploaded I'll have them linked at the end of this video. So anyways, let's uncard this. Alright, so here we have the casting, and it's actually quite big and bulky. It is completely painted gloss black. There's a bit of a scratch mark on the roof, just some usual quality control stuff from metal. So the front actually looks quite good with this large grille detail along with the headlights, the Alphard logo and the branding below the grille. Door handles are detailed along with the window frame. The back has detailed tail lights, the Toyota logo, license plate holder. No detailing there. The Alphard branding is below. The roof extends on the back to form a sort of spoiler. The base is metal painted matte black and has decent detailing. The wheels are Real Rider 10-spoke wheels with the grey trims. Wait, I think the base is a bit loose on the back and it makes this metal clanking sound by being loose. I guess because there's only one rivet on the base, but I feel if it's intentional design then it shouldn't be loose. Anyway, it's not a big deal. And that is all there is for this casting. So that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts about this casting or the Boulevard Mix 3 set of 2026. Subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. I'll see you in the next one.